Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the Cartoon Man 13, and this will be my 40th Blu-ray update as well as my 7th unboxing video because I got a package from Disney Movie Rewards, and yes, it is a Blu-ray here. This is my second Blu-ray purchase from Disney Movie Rewards. And the first one is actually, as you may recall, Swing Vote with Kevin Costner. So yeah, that was my first Blu-ray purchase on Disney Movie Rewards. And this right here is my second. So I'm gonna open this up and show it to you guys right now. And of course, you may also recall that I have the DVD of Chicken Little, right? You know, the DVD of Chicken Little. Well, guess what? I now have the Blu-ray of it. Now I have the Blu-ray of Chicken Little. So now I have both the Blu-ray and DVD of Chicken Little. One of the funniest and most exhilarating movies in years, says Richard Corliss of Time magazine. Anyway, this is the front, the spine, and the back. The bonus features include backstage audio commentary with director Mark Dindal, producer Randy Fulmer, and visual effects supervisor Steve Goldberg. Hatching Chicken Little, the making of the movie, original deleted scenes with intro, alternate opening number 1, Chicken Little storybook, alternate opening number 2, Cooking with Klaus, original opening with Chicken Little as a girl. I think these are the same bonus features as the DVD, and plus it also has all new deleted scenes. That's interesting. Mayor Lookie's pep talk, Buck's apology, Something Must Be Done, and Lunchroom B. I bet you those were the features that never made it on the DVD here. So anyway, Shake a Tail Feather music video by the J Girls, One Little Slip music video by the Bare Naked Ladies, One Little Slip karaoke, One Little Slip sing-along, movie showcase, in access to select movie scenes that showcase the ultimate in high-definition picture and sound, seamless menus, and that is it. So of course this is a 2005 film, and this is a 2007 Blu-ray release from Walt Disney Studios Home Entertainment, rated G, and it's 81 minutes. So I'm gonna open this thing up. There we go. Come on. Now I'm just opening up the sticker. I'm almost there, ladies and gentlemen. And there we go. So you have your same everything, you know. So I'm gonna open this up. And yes, this is a Disney Movie Rewards title. So not only did I get a Blu-ray of Chicken Little, but I also got more points as well. And here's the back of it, just in case you're wondering. Anyway, here's the disc. And this actually has inside artwork, as you can tell. Inside artwork. I think just like the Swing Vote Blu-ray, this has a scene selection guide. And it has pictures on it. So yeah, this has been my 7th unboxing video, as well as my 40th Blu-ray update. I mean, 40 Blu-ray updates and still going. And there's still more in there. And actually, this is my receipt, which my address on it, which I'm gonna cover up for you. This has my address on it, but it's the Disney Movie Rewards receipt. And here's the other side of it. And yes, it's torn, as you can tell. And plus, I think this is also like the Swing Vote Blu-ray, where I get this pamphlet for other Disney titles. And yeah. Anyway, folks, this has been my 7th unboxing video and my 40th Blu-ray update. Man, 40 Blu-ray updates already, in which I have the Chicken Little Blu-ray. Heck, I might as well make a Blu-ray DVD combo pack of Chicken Little. And for 2 Blu-ray purchases on Disney Movie Rewards, Swing Vote and Chicken Little, you just can't go wrong with that. So anyway, that has been my 7th unboxing video, as well as my 40th Blu-ray update. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, everybody, and so long.